Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
What's up, guys? It's Bree and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintain my natural hair. So as you can see, these braids are very old. The middle braids have been in for about a month and the perimeter braids have been in about 2 months. I've really been trying to be more intentional about taking care of my hair and making a maintenance routine as opposed to just a wash set style, same old, same old. I've been natural for over 10 years now. It sounds so crazy to say, but I have really seen a lot of progress in my natural hair the last 8 years or so, and especially the last 5 years. It seems like my hair is just growing like weeds. So if I am able to achieve that without really trying, I want to see how much I can do actually trying. So I am taking this hair out so that I can scratch my scalp, really cleanse my scalp and my hair, and put it away for another set of wig braids to put underneath. So just stay tuned, keep watching, and you can just see the growth.
Okay. My man, some more pockets that came in, man. Yeah, shawty over there, she looking bad, yo. I might have to bag that up. Right after I get done recording this dope. I had to give me a new bitch, she wasn't bad enough. She tell me she freaky again, then I'm about to bag it up. She tell me she touching a friend, then I'm about to bag it up. Recording this dope in the booth, then I'm about to bag it up. I had to bag it up, I told her to bag it up. Shawty that put that thing in reverse, she told me to bag it up. She tell me she touching a friend, then I'm about to bag it up. Recording it dope in the booth, then I'm about to bag it up. I had to bag it up. Baby style you like Megan, all that body no faking. Dominican and Jamaican, she throwing it back on the wood. I'm smoking the gas of the wood. Shawty that do the thing that my ex did and she didn't wish that she could. When I first seen it though, baby booty like a basketball, in my zone like 2-3. I stole that ball like who he, bust it down like a QP, then I trapped it like a QT. Came with my hands and chose me.
So as you see, right here is what I'm talking about as far as scratching my scalp. My scalp gets very dry. It's been like that even when I was a kid and getting perms, when I was getting natural, all that kind of stuff. So I just really just make sure when I go for long times without washing my hair that I take my time and scratch my scalp with either a comb or a toothbrush. And also sometimes when I wash my hair, depending on what kind of style I'm doing or how in depth I can get in there, I will actually use a toothbrush and more of a peppermint shampoo like Paul Mitchell's or something like that. And I feel like it helps, but also I live with it. That's just how it is.
Recording it dope in the booth, then I'm about to bag it up. Niggas hate on the low, but I act like I don't know. I just be fucking they hoe. I seen them popping it on the pole, twerking for that dough, popping it like.
So right here is something I kind of want you to take notice of. I'm taking out some of the pre-parted combed out sections that I did before, and I'm using a comb to get here. Something that I do when I'm doing braids or twists to part my hair out is I will braid it and then transition to a twist. You'll see that later on in the video, but that's because when it starts getting to the end, when I come back to it, it is hard to take out and it causes more breakage, more damage when I'm trying to rip my hair apart to get a braid undone that I put in. It's easier to just put it into a twist, therefore I can just pull the two sections, pull it apart, and take it out easier. So you'll see that more at the end of the video, but that's something I want you to just pay attention to. And we gotta check the progress, gotta do a pull test. I don't really believe in the pull test, but I'm doing it just because of, research purposes, obviously. And we in the shower, y'all. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is in 6 parts. After that last clip, I went in with some water and conditioner to pre-detangle my hair thoroughly, and I just use these to put them out of the way. When I wash my hair, I do one side at a time, which is why I'm detangling this. If you see that little container right there with the orange stuff, that is actually my conditioner. That part of my wash process was cut out. Sorry, lost the footage, but that is conditioner. I have a gallon size. Sorry about that. So pay attention to how I'm washing my hair. Everything is in a downward motion. At this part, I'm making sure my hair is saturated with water, really trying to get that first bit of just like crud and stuff out of my hair before I go in with my shampoo so it's easy gliding. This is my cleansing shampoo. I'm going to make sure that I put it onto my scalp, on the back half, on the side half, and really like break those through to make sure that every part of my scalp is thoroughly cleansed.
No comparison. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Acting stupid. What was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time.
As I'm washing my hair, I try to hold the ends of it and just massage and really scratch, not with my fingernails, but with the pads of my fingers onto my scalp. I really want to make sure that every part of that is really getting scrubbed, really getting cleansed, and really getting clean. And as I do that, I pull the suds down into the hair shaft to then rinse downward out. I do that twice in this process. Usually I only do once, but we're trying to change some things, trying to make a more thorough maintenance routine. And even in this section, as you see, I am using both my hands to scrub, but I'm still only concentrating on the scalp of my hair. My hair shaft is not where I'm concentrating this product. And excuse my faces, y'all. I am low-key tender-headed and I hate this, but I got it. After my 2 washes, I'm going to go in with my moisturizing shampoo. This is the Donna collection, and I'm going to use that to actually cleanse my hair strands. So I shouldn't really need it after washing my hair twice with the cleansing shampoo, but this is a moisturizing, so I want to just make sure that that really gets back into it. I actually do feel like this product does make my hair very moisturized, like it says. So believe it.
Man, some more pockets that came in, man.
And again, even as I am rinsing out the product, I am doing it in a downward motion. So right here, I am about to rinse out my conditioner. Like I said, I lost the clip, sorry. So that is what it looks like. Now at this point of the washing process, I can now work on my whole head at one time. I don't really need to separate by side. So I'm going to rinse this out. My water is somewhat cool on the more warm side. I'm not going to go into how my shower was made. Let's just say contractor didn't do their job correctly. But I'm going to use a mask, so I think we should be fine. I'm just going to rinse this all out, going in a downward motion. I'm never going to be balling my hair up. I'm never going to go from flipping in the front, washing in the back, to rinsing in the back. I'm doing one direction. And this is basically how I applied my conditioner as well, just a little bit more thoroughly. So I'm going to make sure I concentrate it on my hair strands. And they say you're not supposed to put it on your scalp, but I'm gonna put it on my scalp. Like I said, my scalp gets very, very dry. This hair mask in particular is rosemary and mint, and my hair really likes tea tree oils, peppermint oils, stuff like that, because it really does go in there and hydrate, repair, and allows my scalp to be treated. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then I'm going to just put my hair up into a little bun so I can continue on with my shower, washing my face, body, etc. Usually if I put on like a plastic cap or something like that, it would be if I'm going to get out of the shower and keep it on. And we're out. So I use a towel to rinse my hair out. No special anything there. This is my hair afterwards. I'm going to use just lightweight products because I'm not 100% sure on how I'm going to do my hair, if I'm going to wear it out or put it into braids. So I'm going to use a lightweight conditioner. This is a leave-in from Pattern. I'm going to just put that all over my hair, and again, I'm doing stuff in a downward motion. So I'm going to be using the prayer hands to just kind of make sure it gets on every hair strand And I'm not going to use too much of this. I really don't need it. You really don't need a lot of this because it is lightweight, so it may not feel like you have enough, but trust me, it is on there. I really like this product. I'm using the prey hands, just go all over, and then I'm going to kind of section my hair again just to make sure it gets all on the inside as well. After that, we're going to follow up with our hair oil. So I make this one myself. When I make it again, I will show you guys because I am running low. I'm just going to put that onto my scalp, not a lot, but then I'm also going to put it on my hair strands to seal that leave-in in, which is going to seal in that water. So we're just trying to layer on the moisture protection. And because I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair, I'm just going to put it into some bigger sections. They're going to be braids into twists, just so that by the time I do decide to style, my hair is still thoroughly detangled and sectioned, so it makes it easier. And no one's going to see these, so the sizing doesn't matter, parting doesn't matter. No one's going to see these. And even if they do, I'm cute, so it's fine. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to put on my hair as well. And like I said, I am going to use some grease to kind of seal all of this in together. And that's what that right there is. I was going to put that on my scalp originally, but then I didn't. So here we are. And this grease is a heavier product, still doing the prayer hands. And like I said, I only put in what you just saw, a fingerprint amount. So do not put a lot of this if you're going to put it onto your actual hair. I usually would put this on my scalp, but for your hair, it's fine.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Hips tick-tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low then swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek. Please don't give me hype. I'm hype. Left cheek, right cheek. Write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. No. I'm a savage. No. Got this shit from Tina. I pop my shit, now watch me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh. You still a change, ayy. I'm a savage.
Little mama went adding up, so I had to subtract her. Yeah. It's K.O. K. My man, Sumo Pockets that came in, man. Shh. Yeah, shawty over there, she looking bad, yo. I might have to bag that up. Right after I get done recording this dope. I had to give me a new bitch, she wasn't bad enough. She tell me she freaky again, then I'm about to bag it up. She tell me she touching a friend, then I'm about to bag it up. Recording this dope in the booth, then I'm about to bag it up. I had to bag it up, I told her to bag it up. Shawty that put that thing in reverse, she told me to bag it up. She tell me she touching a friend, then I'm about to bag it up. Recording it dope in the booth, then I'm about to bag it up. I had to bag it up. Baby style like Megan, all that body no faking. Dominican and Jamaican, she throwing it back on the wood. I'm smoking the gas of the wood. Shawty that do the thing that my ex did and she didn't wish that she could. When I first seen it though, baby booty like a basketball, in my zone like 2-3. I stole that ball like hoo-hee, bust it down like a QP. Then I trapped it like a QT, came with my hands and choose me. Rolling up loud to the loose leaf, I just switched the plug, ain't had that weak Wi-Fi. $100 quality over quantity for that high price. Bag it up like Fortnite, bag it up like Port Slice. Acting up on a sports fight, I'ma bag it up like all night. Had to give me a new bitch, she wasn't bad enough. She tell me she freaky again, then I'm about to bag it up. She tell me she touching a friend, then I'm about to bag it up. Recording this dope in the booth, then I'm about to bag it up. I had to bag it up, I told her to bag it up. Shawty that put that thing in reverse, she told me to bag it up. She tell me she touching a friend, then I'm about to bag it up. Recording it dope in the booth, then I'm about to bag it up. Niggas hate on the low, but I act like I don't know. I just be fucking they hoe. I seen her popping it on the pole, twerking for that dough, popping it like a pro.
All right, so as we reach the end, I'm just finishing up these last two braids. Something that I want to add. Basically, I do this. I'm planning to do my maintenance like this maybe every 2 months. It's going to be very hard for me to not do my hair that long because I'm a very much change my hair all the time type person. If you've seen my growth, seen my journey with hair through my Instagram or even my YouTube a little bit, you see that I change my hair a lot. But I change my hair a lot. But recently I've been not really as motivated to do my hair as often, which has prompted me to want to get my natural hair under wraps so that way I can be satisfied with it. So I am planning to do this every 2 months. I did end up taking this twist out. Maybe about 3 days later, I will have some pictures on my Instagram. So make sure you guys check that out. That's Bree personally. And I probably will share it over at Bree Mainstream as well. But I do have some ideas for a wig I want to do. I've been seeing a lot of blonde wigs lately, and I do have one that I kind of like put to the back burner, never really revisited, but I'm going to look into that. I plan to do this style more, and probably after the blonde wig, I will go in and practice a quick weave or maybe even a ponytail design. So stay tuned for that, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about your natural hair, feel free to leave it in the description box below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.
Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? What was happening?